Cursor versus Windsurf versus Replit. Let's start with Cursor. Cursor is an AI native code editor based on VS Code with deep GPT-4 integration and context-aware features. Windsurf, on the other hand, is a newer AI coding IDE that focuses on tight AI chat, workflows, and high-level code generation. It's aimed at solo devs and startup starters. And lastly, is Replit, is a cloud-based coding platform with built-in AI, great for real-time collaboration, deploying apps, and coding from anywhere. Now let's talk about the pros. So for Cursor, it is offering a built-in AI pair programmer using the AI GPT-4 and Cloud. It understands entire code base for smart suggestions, and it feels like Copilot on steroids. Windsurf, on the other hand, is offering fast, minimal UI built around AI first workflows. It feels like coding with an AI co-founder, and it is web-based, so there's no setup needed. And for Replit, it is offering full cloud IDE with collaboration deploy and hosting. It also has the AI Ghostwriter integrated into your coding flow, and it works in browser, so there's no installation needed. So choose Corsair if you want the most powerful AI native coding desktop IDE, and choose Windsurf if you want a lightweight, fast AI first browser experience, and choose Replit if you want a browser based IDE with deploy plus AI.